last video ever. And I just had to do it because I was getting back from school. I was leaving my sister with my friend with my mom. I just got home. And look at this shit. Bro, this is literally the hardest storm ever. We can't see because of the net. But look at that. Hold on, I bet you'll get a closer look at it. Bro. Like literally. What is this? And if we go on YouTube, research of weather, there is this live stream. Research the weather. Then this.
So Cass County, Hillsdale County. So we're definitely getting a lot more hate flooded into southern Michigan than what was forecasted.
Like nothing,
so that's going to be something we're going to
keep an eye on.
If you
check this car thing,
as the day goes along
car
here.
video, you see.
And that's once again kind of right around the area that these guys are going to be doing their
something's
balloon launch.
happening there.
So it looks like they are prepping it right now.
Look what's that. And it even says here, which is where I live, okay. Even says that in Maryland, it's like not even raining. Like it's a thunder right here. It's gonna come here, now it's gonna come here, then there, then there, then there. We start off like this. Wait, until 8 a.m., which is where I wake up. I went to school. I finished school here, and now then I hit the storm. The ugly storm at 2. It's 2:12 right now. 2:13, I mean. Yeah, this is it. That's how it is right now. Guys, please wish me luck. This is my last video. Bye, everyone.